So welcome back to the channel, guys. For today's episode, testingin natin tong Corvette sa racetrack. Okay? So andito tayo sa shop ngayon. Nagpe-prepare na yung mga boys. Sasamahan nila tayo today and kasama ko si Honey. Mag-roll race kami. So ito na yung last schedule for the season. It's May 22 at napakainit na. Pero kailangan naming testingin yung setup. And buti na lang meron pang slots. Anyway, so ang setup for this run is wala tayong nitros sa takbo ngayon kasi walang supply ng magandang nitros. Yung last namin ginamit sa dyno, hindi siya malamig at all. So walang stock si Emirates Gas and wala ring stock yung mga garage ng tropa. So that's for next season. Anyway, and we've added this, medyo i-flex ko lang to, swan neck na spoiler wing. So ayan, carbon fiber yung slots niya sa gilid. Tapos meron tong mas malaki pero tinanggal muna namin siya kasi hindi naman magsisirkit, no. So ayun, and kinabit na namin yung drag radials. Itong drag radial size ano to? Size 17. Kasi last time namin siyang ginamit sa roll race, naturally aspirated yung kotse. Ang bagal ng kotse, so nung kinabit namin to, pinabagal lang niya lalo yung kotse. Ngayon na medyo nasa 850 horsepower na siya, worth it na siya.
You wonder where the F he been, but I'm back to life like an EpiPen, and she still in a leopard skin. And check me out, then check me in. See this coat, nigga? Bye to my old self. Wake up to the new me. I used to be a world star. Now I'm making Newsweek. I used to hang on the nine. Now I bought 2 streets. Cops Grove to King Drive. Yeah, this life is a movie. Bye to my old self.
Ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa Dubai Autodrome. So, it's roll race time. Ayun, may mga may mga pumasok na sa loob. Ito, ang ganda pala guys. Tunay na Corvette Z06. Ay hindi, Corvette C6 ZR1. 6.2 liter supercharged. Yung sa atin, pinilit, pero 7 liter twin turbo naman yung sa atin, no? So ngayon, wala tayong patutunayan, walang beef, just to test out the setup kasi puro na lang dyno, puro na lang sa street. Eh ginawa namin to for track. So might as well test it on the track para safe, contained yung environment and maraming marshals and all. So ang objective for tonight is just to test the setup, enjoy it. Maybe the fastest on the track sa roll race, hindi sa against each cars. So ayun, I'll see you guys inside. Enjoy the video.
The sensor that you have started the race. The second one sends the signal that you are maintaining the speed.
Sure, eh? That's empty or?
It's empty. It's not connected.
Oh, no से उसके बाद लेकिन connected नहीं है, खाली है। वो भी अच्छी है। ये कौन सा? पर्वत। ये वाला
So ayun guys, first pass. Malamig pa yung gulong, malamig pa yung makina. So medyo nagbo-blow by pa kasi forged pistons. Anyway, may nakalaro tayong Nissan Vitic. Panis! Check nyo yung video mamaya. So, pa-cool down konti, tas game ulit. Medyo konti lang. So ayun guys, so uwi na tayo. Confirmed na boost leak. Nagka-cut na kuya ikaw. Anyway, that's for next season. At least nasubukan. 2-1 sana. Yung Supra, dikit eh. Kaso lang, wala nang boost, iwan. Anyway, yung RS5, tsaka, RS5, tsaka yung Patrol na turbo, no? Anyway, it's okay. Next time. Nakauwi tayo ng safe and sound. That's what's very important. Kasi nga sabi ko earlier, wala kaming patutunayan. Gusto ko lang testingin yung kotse tsaka yung build. So far, may mga pain points na kailangan i-ayusin. Number 1 is nakikita niyo yung mga oil spots. Hanggang dyan yan. So dito yan galing sa catch can. Kasi dinesign tong ganito kaliliit na breather for the stock engine, which is 6.2 lang. Tapos walang boost, walang turbo. Ngayon, sa capability ng kotse, maliit siya. Baffled yan, pero basta maliit siya for the power ng kotse. So the next improvement would be, maglalaki kami AN10 fittings and dedicated na baffled catch cans for left and right. Number 2, ECU. Since na off-season, wala namang laro kasi mainit na rin talaga, ang init na sa track, pawis-pawis, no? So anyway, mag-upgrade na kami to Haltech ECU para ma-maximize namin yung potential ng makina, ng boost, yung transmission tuning, everything. Number 3 would be brakes. Matulin yung kotse. Pero Z06 brake siya. Pero basta hindi siya enough na braking power. So start ko muna sa brake pad siguro. Switch ko siya sa PBS or Ferodo or sa Pagid. Next would be next week, sa start ko nang sabihan si Mike na ibaba na yung mga upuan, lagyan na ng roll cage, half roll cage. So, meaning dito lang sa likod. Tapos itong nitros tsaka extinguisher iaangat ng onte. And next would be the fire suppression system na dipindot lang. Kasi masyadong malakas yung kotse, mainit, V8, twin turbo. Lagi mong iisipin, putik baka may mag-leak, alam mo yun, paano? So, usually kasi sakit ng Corvette, nahuhugutan ng fuel lines, nagbabaga kasi mainit yung exhaust. So, fire suppression system na ina-switch lang. So, dalawa sa turbo, dalawa sa fuel line, dalawa sa may rail, and dun sa may catch can. Kasi mainit din yun. Anyway. And, ano pa ba? Ayun, yung pinaka-importante pala. Na-miss ko, sorry. Yung reason kung ba't naputol yung fan is nagkaroon kami ng boost leak sa driver side turbo sa may charge pipe. Sa sobrang taas ng boost, yung ginamit namin V-band, napabuka niya. So, nagka-cut yung turbo kasi yung air fuel, nag-i-intermittent siya dahil dun sa boost leak. So, next would be, ipapaulit ko yung mga pipings and then siguro yung mga branded ng V-Band clamps. And so far, that's it. I hope tawag dito, na-entertain ko kayo kahit paano sa videos, sa clips. I'm sorry kung bitin. Kahit ako nabitin ako personally. So, off-season na, which means time to build the car better. We'll come back stronger in September, October. So, that's 5-6 months away from now. Not too much time, so we need to start building it again from next week. So for now, magfo-focus muna ako sa personal life, sa pilot career ko. So I'll be back in Greece next week. So ayun, for now, that's it. I'm gonna keep you posted whatever we do on the car. I'm gonna make a video. For now, please don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe on my page, my videos. Thank you so much. Ingat po tayo palagi. God bless. Cheers.
Baby, we've been out.